Welcome guys! Today I will show you how to reset all settings on Nothing Phone 3A Lite. So let's open the Settings app, go down to the System chapter, and here you will find Reset Options part. So at the beginning, use Reset Mobile Network settings. Hit reset. If you have some pattern, pin or password on your lock screen, you will need to enter it to confirm the process. One more time, and alright, these settings reset it. So then go to the Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Hit the appeared reset key and done. Also, you can reset app preferences. Reset apps. And that's it. Now you know how to reset all settings on Nothing Phone 3A Lite. If this video was helpful, like it, subscribe our channel, leave some comments below, and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.